doctor is in today, Alex the car doctor. Today's video is gonna be about having untrained and jackleg people work on your car. Meaning those folks that, ooh, I can do it. And give me another example.
So I could do it for half price?
Yeah, folks like that. So, prime example, why you don't want jacklegs working on your vehicle. This vehicle came in for a no start. I diagnosed it not getting any fuel.
Yeah, I think it needs help.
Yeah.
Suffering from jackleg mechanics.
All right. So, they had twists, wire ties, or whatever you want to call them. No,
Twisties.
Yeah, twisties. This does not belong on the automotive platform. It's a big one though. Then they had it rounded off with electric tape. Gas and electric tape don't mix. What else? This is just ridiculous. So not only was this a fire hazard, the person who last did the job did not put the rubber O-ring back on the tank, so it was spewing gas everywhere.
He bent the holder down.
Oh, the retaining ring. Yeah, I kind of see
bent.
that. And icing on the cake. The hole in the floor. He was so lazy, he didn't want to drop the tank because I guess he didn't have the right tools. He hacked the man's floor and basically just put a hole in his van. So now this man
Smelling gas
fumes, but walking through the van may fall through the floor. This is a van. They don't put access panels on cargo vans. I guess he made him one and chewed up the line. We had a hard time getting the quick disconnects off because he took some pliers to him and just went ham. So don't have Godzilla working on your car, you know. Have somebody with a little bit more finesse and some skills. You know, it's very important. Do your research, look at reviews, ask questions. Have you ever done a job like this before? Do you have the tools to do the job? That's all I got for you today. You know, please like, subscribe. You know, any questions, leave me a comment. Alex Car Doctor out.